Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Perfect Crafty Girl. It's Jonna here, and I want to do a quick share of what I found for this Thrifty Thursday, Thrifted Treasures. Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic and Cherie from Turquoise Streaming is hosting the hashtag, and I wanted to share what I ended up finding. And I went to go pick up a really cool wood grain front 1970s filing cabinet, and I did get it at that estate sale. And then when I was there, of course, I had to kind of look around really quick, and I was there with a friend of mine who was helping me get the filing cabinet, so I really couldn't shop too much. However, he knows how much I enjoy these embossing things, so I got another embossing thing. Super excited about that. Paid $1 for it. And then I ended up finding, okay, I have this word collection of staplers. I do not have the Sears staplers. This is the old Sears logo, and so I got this. And awesomely enough, they had a whole thing of staples. So this is really cool. It will go in my collection of staples. Not that you guys are, really care about that. But anyway, thought I'd share anyway. And then I found these little rolls of thread. But the reason why I got it was because it's so cute. It's the Royal Society Baby Pearl and has just the cutest little baby in there. And so that's really the reason why I got it. I guess I could slow stitch with the string, I don't know, add it, but I really got it for the little labels because I just thought it was so cute. And that was like in the bag along with a bunch of these old wooden spooled threads, and then there were some newer older ones which were Singer. So but I wanted the labels for my sewing journals, and so there was a bunch of those in there. Again, some more wooden spools that were semi older, and then there were a bunch of the Singer ones, and they were all in a bag. Now I won't use this thread in my projects because older thread deteriorates, and yeah, I'm afraid they'll fall apart, especially if it's something that I'm selling. So I did get that. Also in a bundle was some washable, ironable, isn't that funny, Doreen little vintage pearl buttons. I also got these really cute fashion accessory patches that have rock on a record, and I'm gonna add this to my journal that I did with the Carly Simon cover. And then I have another one. I have a journal kit that is in my shop, in my Etsy, which I'll link below, that is a groovy kind of music themed Roberta Flack book. Very mod, everything in it's very mod, and I'm gonna add that to that kit. So got that. I used to live in Florida, and so I found these Cocoa Beach, Cape Kennedy, Florida postcards. So I got 12 of those. There was a whole stack, but I only took 12, and because I thought these would be great for summer journals, added into summer journals. Also these, which I got they weren't 3 for $1. I guess at Walgreens they were 3 for $1 back in the day, but they have the beachy theme, the lighthouse. So I got those. And of course that one bag had, I love these and using these in my art, and one side is red and the other side is black, but I thought this red and the yellow will be so cute in a circus journal, and just super cute to add that to my stash of vintage tape measures. I got this tiger eye locket, which I thought was really cool. I don't even know how to get into it actually. Okay, so anyway, I'll get that loosened up and cleaned if I put this on a journal, but because it had the tiger eye, I thought that was really neat. Could be easily hung on a journal. Oh, I see why that has that. You just grab it here. It was just stuck in there. Anyway, so got that. I also have a desk set, and I found the memo pad for this wood grain desk set. So I am collecting, I've been collecting this for, gosh, I don't even know, 15 years, 20 years. And the only pieces that I don't have, and it's dusty, the only pieces I don't have are the pencil cup and the trash can. I am on the hunt for that pencil cup and the trash can. I have everything else that goes with it. Found some cards, picked them up. I love the Rook cards because they have the numbers on them, and you can fold it over or just cut it and create a tab if you're doing like a daily journal. And then it also had just a plain set in there. And what else? Of course, I picked these up because whenever I can find the ones that aren't the thermal papers and are the plain papers, I pick them up, and I will be using these for my art classes that I'll be hosting. So got those. I found this retro Christmas wrapping paper. Oh my gosh, ornament paper. Look at this. So groovy. I love it. It's got the groovy flowers, the glitter flowers. Can't wait to use this in my journal for next year. Love that. So I got that. And then I went to, I went to the Restore and just to see what they had in there. And I ended up finding 2 of these. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see those, but these are the these are baking and recipe cards. So this one I don't have. They're the taller ones, which I think are really neat. Ooh, it's got beef empanadas. Yum. Oh my goodness. I will be making, I love empanadas. You can screenshot that if you want the recipe right here from 1975. Wow. Okay, but they use a package of mushroom gravy mix, and they use the pie crust mix. So I don't think that those are like the real deal. You let me know. I think they make them actually from scratch when you get them at the fair and stuff, or from like the little food carts, cars, trucks, food trucks. Anyway, so I got that one. I gotta scrub these, they're really dirty. And then this one I have several of, and so, but I always pick them up because they have the coolest and the cutest pictures on them. Look at this thing, like Lime Ribbon Delight. Sounds disgusting, I'm not a big lime fan, but it looks adorable. And the fruit platter, look how like perfectly, meticulously they do these photos. This one is from the Betty Crocker Recipe Library, and this is a 1971 version. One of my favorite ones out of here is, of course, the Come for Coffee, because you know me, I love coffee. And they've got great little desserts, tea rings, and all kinds of little things that you can make when you have somebody over for, this looks good. I may have to make that coffee cake exceptional. Sugar, eggs, vanilla flour. Oh yeah, it's got the sour cream, because the sour cream is the way to go whenever you do a coffee cake, just saying. So yeah, so that is it. That's my quick haul and share. Thanks for following me. Tell me if I got anything that you would like to have in your stash and that you're looking out for and haven't found. And if there's anything in my stuff that I got today, how would you use it? I always like to hear. I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.